Step 1. Measure and layout. Measure the floor surface adjacent to the structure and mark the center point on the floor and wall. Extend the line of the wall surface point onto the structure vertically. Determine the proper hanging rail height. Mark the column shoe locations. Verify that all of the markings are square. Reference the diagram in the included installation guide for measurements specific to your kit. Step 2. Hanging rail. Center the hanging rail on the mark, then attach the hanging rail using a level and the approved fasteners. Step 3. Foundation attachment. Center the column shoe on the marks using the pre-drilled attachment holes for visual reference. Attach the column shoe to the floor surface with the approved fasteners. Stand the column on the column shoe, level, and attach the column to the shoe with the approved fasteners. Be sure to slide the washer onto the screws before attaching. Cover with the screw caps and repeat until all of the columns are attached. Step 4. Column and beam attachment. Line up the pre-drilled holes on the bracket with the predetermined bracket locations on the beam. Attach the rafter to beam brackets on the top side of the beam with the approved fasteners. Lift and insert the beam into the pre-notched columns, centering the beam in the columns, confirming horizontal level. Be sure to lift under the beam piece only. Lifting from the corbel ends may result in damage. Start with the left column. Maintaining vertical level, measure and mark the screw locations on the column for a uniform look. Repeat the marking procedure on both sides of the columns. Attach the left column to the beam using the approved fasteners. Be sure to slide the washer onto the screws. Cover the screws with screw caps and repeat the attachment process to all of the additional columns. Step 5. Roof panel attachment. Starting with the first roof panel, measure and mark center on the bottom of the panel. Insert the panel into the hanging rail. Align the center of the panel with the center of the hanging rail and rest on the beam. Attach the roof panel to the hanging rail with the approved fasteners adhering to installation instructions. Using a level on this column to ensure the level of the column and beam assembly, measure the distance on the underside of the roof panel from the face of the beam to the exterior edge. Transfer the measurement to the top side of the roof panel, add an additional 1 inch, and mark. Attach the roof panel to the beam with the approved fasteners, adhering to installation instructions. Be sure to slide the washer onto the screw and draw the fastener into the beam until the washer dimples. On the right side of the secured roof panel, insert the next roof panel into the hanging rail and slide together to secure the tongue and groove connection. Insert the bottom vinyl cleat and slide into place. Attach the roof panel to the hanging rail with the approved fasteners. Attach the roof panel to the beam, starting with the outermost edge of the right panel, working back towards center. Repeat the roof panel installation process for the left side of the roof assembly. Starting at an outside corner along the projection edge of the roof assembly, install the pre-mitered C-fascia. Install the C-fascia on the right and left sides and adjust to achieve the proper mitered corner connections. Attach all sections of the C-fascia to the roof panel assembly, adhering to the installation instructions. Apply the sealant tape over all of the roof panel seam connections. Trim and apply the sealant tape over the approved fasteners connecting the roof panels to the beam. Using a chalk box, measure, mark, and snap a chalk line for the easy trim. Apply the butyl tape to the bottom of the easy trim. Press into place along the chalk line on the roof panels and secure with the approved fasteners, adhering to the installation instructions. If the Pavilion kit is being installed by way of roof mount, install and attach the pre-bent flashing with the approved fasteners, adhering to the installation instructions. Complete the flashing between the structure and the Pavilion kit roof assembly with homeowner-supplied upper flashing, water and ice shield, and shingles. If the Pavilion kit is being installed by way of a masonry wall mount, install and attach the pre-bent flashing with the homeowner-supplied masonry fasteners. Use a rotary tool to scribe the structure along the masonry bed mortar line. Bend and insert the homeowner-supplied aluminum upper flashing. Maintain a minimum 1-inch vertical overlap between the adjacent pieces of upper flashing. Maintain a minimum 2-inch overlap on top of the pre-bent flashing. Finish the upper flashing installation by caulking between the structure and the upper flashing. Thank you. This completes the Pavilion kit installation steps. We hope you found this information helpful, and we know you are going to enjoy your new Pavilion for years to come.